Bonjour, bienvenue to Paris Plan. Now, there are not many things more French than perfume. And today I'm going to create my own, but not by myself. I've got the experts here, Gallimard. They were founded in 1747, and they're going to help me create an original, beautiful, I hope, perfume.
Okay, so you have three missions. 2 hours to make 100 milliliters. First, you need to smell for the moment only the base note. So you need to smell all the base notes one by one, and you can pick between 3 to 6 notes to mix together.
But there's a choice of 43 if I counted right.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Good luck.
Yeah. Maybe. I'm going to put the maybe ones here. This, maybe. It smells. I have to. Tubereuse, c'est quoi?
It's a flower. It's a flower from the south of France. Very capitis, very milky, soapy.
It reminds me of something that I had in my childhood, but I can't remember what.
It's sometimes happening with that kind of
memory.
Memories, yes.
I'll keep that as a memory, maybe.
Could you tell me if you like more light and discreet perfume, or you want to have something heavier?
Because the theme was Paris by night.
Paris by night. Okay.
So it can be a little bit more accentuated. And I thought this is super sweet, so I thought this could just be subtle. And I quite like that, felt more like evening.
Yes, so that one is the cotton candy. You see that kind of note is very powdery, very sweet also. But I think with this one, we're missing something deep, some depth, something just to make some dimension and relief on the perfume, on the base note. Why? I don't know if you draw sometimes. When you make art with a draw, you can make a relief with some dimension with the colors. It's the same things here. We have that kind of fresher lightness with these notes. But we're missing something darker besides, just to up that kind of lighter. So I have one suggestion for you. Did you smell the vanilla one?
I actually had a vanilla as another one, and then I thought that these two were similar, so I took the vanilla out.
Different.
So I put it back in?
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
And we are ready. Okay, we'll make 40 milliliters for the base.
40?
Okay, 40 milliliters for the moment. You good?
Done.
Let's see the precision now. Are you?
Yes.
40. Yes, good job.
Nervous.
Okay, let's now we analyze it together. Okay, we'll try it just a few seconds, and then we can analyze it together. Please. So you see that kind of vanilla is giving the darkness, and the tubereuse. So you see how strong is it?
Yeah.
Huh? Okay. So that you see the intensity of the sweetness giving with the vanilla and the barbe à papa, the cotton candy, and the musque floral is giving that kind of more light. You see?
Travels
exactly, more. Yeah. More florally, because it's a combination of some floral note with the last notes together. That's a really good base.
Yeah.
Huh? How are you?
Okay.
You find your...
I've got 4 and maybe 5. I'm not 100% sure on this one.
Okay, let's check. Okay, I think you like that fruity smell. So...
Yeah, I didn't want it to be too fruity. Like, I don't want to smell like a...
So the cocktail one is like...
I didn't know if it was too much.
Yeah, but we can use a little bit because it reminds that kind of yellow fruity smell. You see, like cocktail, like a cocktail, but very
Sure.
juicy.
I'm not sure.
But the prune difference, you see, they give it more. Exactly, they give a lot of body.
I think maybe I prefer that. Maybe that. I think that's too much.
Okay. Hospital, milieu des bois, accord jasmin.
I don't know.
I think we need something more.
Spicy or something.
I'm not sure. The print. Okay.
So, cocktail, no. But what is it? Not
Tabac. Do you want very rosy or not too much?
Not overwhelming, a little bit.
A little bit. Okay.
Yeah.
I think we're done. Okay. We have a little work, so I explain you. So all the top,
Yeah.
all the top nostrils. So 2, 3, 4, and 4. Okay. Then, why more of that one? Because you have that kind of woody smell, the leaf of the black currant, and also the fruit. So they give the cherry on the top. You see? Just for giving that very fresher. Yeah, that's very nice. Musque floral.
Okay, I've won.
It's very nice. More. We can go. Yeah. We're good.
Okay.
That's good balance. And you see the fresher from the
Oh, yeah, it's
beginning.
fresher than I thought.
The fruity smell you have from the beginning, yeah? Because you have the lotus, but we smell very well. Remember that jasmine one, huh? So you're done.
Merci.
So the hardest part, I don't know if you think about, is the name of the perfume.
Ah.
So I'll let you decide which name you want to add on your perfume.
Rêve de Paname.
Yes, okay, I like. This is totally French. Typical French. Rêve de Paname. I like the idea.
Okay.
It's so Parisian.
Sweetness.
Et voilà pour ce parfum.
Oh!
If you like sweet, you can find
Voilà. Donc prenez-en soin, d'accord? Et une petite surprise parce que vous avez quand même passé du temps. Félicitations.
Je diplôme.
Voilà.
Mon nouvelle carrière m'a construit.
Exactement. Félicitations.
Merci. C'était génial.
C'est moi.
Merci. Thank you. Wow. That was such a good experience. So much more fun than I would have imagined. And I have my own perfume. So make sure to subscribe, like, share, and come do some perfume courses. Rêve de Paname. À bientôt.